So are you frustrated with Windows can't be installed on this device error even after trying some basic fixes? In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you a very easy way to fix this without reinstalling or trying to rewrite the operating system on any hard drive. We are just going straight to command line and we are going to get this done in the simplest way possible. So in this video, we'll be skipping BIOS settings and we are going to dive straight into terminal to clean and convert our disks from MRB to GPT and also vice versa. So trying to install Windows and getting this kind of error is like your car refusing to start for a reason you can't see. You know the engine is there, you know that it works, but it still won't run. It is frustrating, right? So in this video, I'll show you how to use a few simple commands to completely solve this issue, making your device perfectly compatible with your system requirements. So you're looking at this screen and you've booted from your USB, you selected your drive and bam, it hits you with an error like the selected disk has MRB partition table or UEFI systems. Windows can only be installed on GPT disks or the vice versa, all those shit. This error message itself is giving you the answer already. It's telling you that there's a mismatch between your drive format, that's MRB or GPT, and what your computer's firmware expects. So we're going to use the Diskpart to fix that mismatch directly. So quick but crucial warning, the command we're going to be using will completely wipe the selected disk or hard drive. So there's going to be no undo button for this, so please make sure you back up any important file because all content on that specific drive will be wiped out clean. So right there on this first setup screen, don't click anything. Instead, press Shift plus F10 on your keyboard. So when you press Shift plus F10 on your keyboard, this is going to open up a black command prompt window, and that is going to be our workshop for today. So first we will need to start the Diskpart tool. So simply just type its name and hit enter. So simply type Diskpart and then you hit enter. This command fires up the Diskpart partitioning utility, and now let's see what drives we are working with. So go ahead and type list disks. The list disks command shows you every storage device your computer can see. So look at the sizes carefully to identify the one you want to install Windows on. In my case, it's disk 0. So remember that choosing the wrong disk here is a very bad day. So double check before you select a disk. Now that you know your target, so tell Diskpart you want to work with it. I'm going to choose disk 0. So by typing in select disk and then the number corresponding to the disk you want to work on. So this command focuses all our mission action on that specific drive. Now for the most powerful step, cleaning the disk. So simply go ahead and type in clean. The clean command is simple but destructive. It erases all the partition information on the drive, making it a completely blank slate. It's like wiping a whiteboard clean before you draw something new. Now for the magic command, this is where you fix the actual problem. So look back at the error you got. If your error mentioned UEFI systems and that your disk is MRB, it means your computer wants the modern GPT format. So type in convert GPT. So this command rebuilds the drive with the GPT partition style, which is exactly what modern UEFI systems need. If your error mentioned your disk is of GPT partition style, your system likely needs the old MRB format. In that case, you type in convert MRB and not convert GPT. So that command sets the drive up to the classic MRB style for systems booting in legacy BIOS mode. So once the conversion is successful, you are done here. Simply type exit to leave Diskpart and exit again to close the command prompt. So you are back at the drive selection screen. It might still look the same, but just click the refresh button and just like that, the error is gone. You should now see one large unallocated space. Select it, click next, and Windows will finally begin installing. It will create all necessary partitions for you on a perfectly formatted drive. And that's how you solve one of Windows' most stubborn installation errors using nothing but just a command line. You've just told your computer exactly what to do, and that's a powerful feeling. If this guide helped you out, crush that like button and be sure to subscribe to Ultra Blue Tech for more straightforward tech tutorials. hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. We've got more content on ethical hacking, system tools, and much more coming your way. So thanks for watching. Stay curious. Peace.